In front of me I've got LG K41s. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay. Tap Get Started. And as you can see, this is the homepage of Google Pay. From here you can add payment method or different types of cards. Then you can manage all your payment methods. Check full list of participating banks. And your full activity. Next we've got settings, where you can turn on or off email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and you can edit account info. Then we've got contactless setup, where you can set payment method, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if your phone has set a screen lock, and if your phone meets security requirements. Then we've got help and support, send feedback, and access to our Google account. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.